guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hello guys, my name is Ilham from 6th grade of YPPSB Elementary School. So today I'm going to show you how to make sandwich. First of all, these are the ingredients. 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, 1 egg, 1 sausage of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of margarine, 1 slice of beef burger, 1 tomato, 4 sheets of lettuce, and 2 sausages of chili sauce. The tools are 2 plates, a knife, a cutting board, a frying pan, a spatula, a spoon, and a stove. First, put a sliced bread on the plate. Spread the margarine on the bread. Prepare the frying pan on the stove and turn on the stove over low heat. Put the bread on the frying pan. Bake the bread for a while until the color changes to golden brown. Put the margarine and turn up the heat to medium heat and fry the beef burger until the cooked. After the beef burger is cooked, take it from the frying pan. Next, apply margarine on the frying pan and crack the egg on the frying pan. Don't forget to put the salt on the egg. After the egg is cooked, don't forget to turn off the stove. Cut up the tomato and cut the lettuce into sections. Last, prepare the plate and put some bread. Put the egg on the bread and then put the beef burger. Put the mayonnaise. Put a slice of cheese. Then put some chili sauce. Then put the lettuce, after that, put the tomato slice on the lettuce. The last, put another bread. Finally, the sandwich ready to serve.